Hi, and welcome to Money and Margaritas. I'm Chris.
And hi, I'm Jenny. If you're new to our channel, we are all about inspiring financial independence so that we all have the time to focus on what matters and design a life we love. So we will be covering all sorts of topics, including real estate investing, margarita recipes, how to save money, how to create cash flow, and so much more. We hope you join us.
And of course, we want to make talking about money just a little bit more fun, hence the margaritas.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Hi, and welcome to Money and Margaritas date night series. So here is question number 1. So grab your margarita or your mocktail and get your partner. And first question is, if you didn't have to work for money, what would you be doing? Okay, so how did that question go? It's actually not an easy question, right? So if you didn't have to worry about paying bills and all of that fun stuff, what would you be spending your time doing? So I hope that you guys can share that those thoughts with each other and see where you can kind of dream and go. And for us, what we would be doing is, number 1, just spending a lot more time with our family and outside. There's so many things that we love to do. We love going out on the ocean and fishing. We love hiking. We love doing so many things like that. But as it stands right now, when you work full time, there's not a lot of time to do that kind of stuff. Additionally, there's always been, business ideas that we have that we've never moved forward on that, have been put on the back burner. And at the end of the day, I personally would love to volunteer a lot more. And that's just not something that I've made priority yet, but it's something that if I didn't have to work for money and make sure that I was paying the bills, that I would definitely do a lot more of. So anyways, I hope that you enjoyed this challenge. Enjoy your drinks and cheers to bettering your financial situation, and can't wait for you to reach early retirement.